Have you ever wondered if plants could be predators too? In a world teeming with diverse life forms, carnivorous plants carve out a fascinating niche. These unique organisms, armed with specialized adaptations, trap and digest insects and sometimes even small animals. It's a strategy born out of necessity, as these plants often inhabit nutrient-poor soils, compelling them to seek nourishment from unconventional sources. So, next time you pass by a seemingly innocent plant, remember, there might be more than meets the eye. Indeed, the plant kingdom is more intriguing than we often perceive. So, how do these silent assassins capture their prey, you might wonder? Well, carnivorous plants employ various intriguing mechanisms to trap unsuspecting insects. First up is the infamous Venus flytrap, known for its snap trap mechanism. Like a spring-loaded jaw, it snaps shut in less than a second when an insect touches its trigger hairs. Quite the speedster, isn't it? Then there's the sundew. This plant uses a sticky trap mechanism. It has tentacle-like leaves covered in a sticky, sweet-smelling substance that lures insects. Once an insect lands, it's trapped in the sticky goo, unable to escape. Lastly, we have the pitcher plant. Its trapping mechanism is a pitfall trap. The plant's tubular leaves form a deep well filled with a digestive liquid. Insects attracted by its nectar slip on the rim and fall into this liquid pit, from where there is no return. The strategies these plants employ to ensure their survival are nothing short of ingenious. Are you intrigued by these plant predators yet? Dive deeper into the study of these fascinating plants. Delving into their world not only reveals the intricate adaptations and evolution of plants, but also underscores the urgency of conserving these unique species. Many are endangered due to habitat loss, making their study even more vital. In the captivating world of carnivorous plants, every new discovery is a step towards understanding the complexities of nature.